Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. We are working on module 1 lesson 10. We have a subtraction pending right here. Is 56 thousandths minus 23 thousandths. So you can do that easily. That's 56 thousandths minus 23 thousandths. So these are the units. When you do this, then you know that the answer will be 33 thousandths. Now, we're going to use a place value chart to know how to write this in a decimal form. So now let's write on our place value chart 56,000. So, thousands have to have 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. And it has to be written right here. Now we have 0 tenths in this number minus 23 thousandths, which means there is nothing here, no tenths. When we do the subtraction, our answer is the same answer, right? 33 thousandths, which is what we got on our first answer. However, now we can write this as a decimal form, which will be 0 ones and 33 thousandths. Okay. Now we're going to do one with the algorithm form, which is, this one is called the algorithm. Okay. Now this one is 741 minus, okay, now this one has a decimal point. Where does the 741 has a decimal point? And if you look at a place value chart, well, where will you write that? Well, I know that 741 is going to be right here, 741. So the decimal point is always right there at the end. Minus 3 and 91 hundredths. Minus 3 and 91 hundredths. Correct? So that's how you would set up your subtraction here on your paper. So let's do it right here. 3 and 91 hundredths. So you can see that now we have set up our problem. Now, we know that above there's 0 tenths and 0 hundredths. Now, if you want to attempt to subtract 1 from 0, we cannot do that. So we have to borrow from the tenths. But the tenths has zeros, so we have to borrow from the ones. So the 1 decreased to 0, and now that the 10 tenths becomes 10 tenths. But now the hundredths have to borrow from the tenths. So this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. So take away 1 from 10 equals 9. Take away 9 from 9 equals 0. Decimal point. Can we take away 3 from 0? No, we have to borrow. So the 4 decreases to a 3 and the 0 becomes a 10. Subtract 3 from the 10, that is 7. Subtract 0 from 3 equals 3, and subtract 0 from 7 equals 7. So there is our answer, my friends. Please watch these videos so they can help you on your learning with math. Have a wonderful day. Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magnifico.